English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 2, Number 10. At a fruit shop, one pineapple sold 48 taka, one pomegranate 95, and custard apple 75 taka. Sonia buys 4 pineapple, 2 pomegranate, and 5 custard apple, and give 1000 taka to the shopkeeper. How much money will she get to return from the shopkeeper? So let's check how much he spent. Pineapple price. So pineapple price, pineapple 48 into 4 equal to 192. Pomegranate equal to 95 into 2 equal to 190. And custard apple 75 into 5 is 375. Then total price 192 plus 190 plus 375 equal to 757. Shopkeeper will be return 1000 minus 757 equal to 234 taka. Then answer 234 taka. Thank you.